Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer. Getting up and down from the floor is a challenge for so many people, especially as we age. So today I'm going to be using the TRX to help us strengthen the muscles that will assist us in getting up and down off the floor. You can also use a similar piece of equipment to the TRX if that's what you have at home. Go ahead, grab your handles. I've brought my handles up to the high setting. You're gonna balance on one leg using these handles for assistance. Single leg squat and reach that lifted leg behind you, then drive the knee forward. I reach the leg behind me, drive the knee forward. You do not have to get down as low as I am. Just go down as low as is comfortable for your knee joints. And I'm definitely using these handles for balance to assist me in getting down lower. Let's do one more. Switch over to the other side. I reach that leg out. I drive the knee forward. So I selected this move because driving the knee forward, that's going to strengthen our hip flexors and our ability to lift that leg so we can get it placed correctly on the floor in front of us when we're trying to stand up. And then this single leg squat is training our leg to have strength to push us off the floor when we're ready to stand up. Relax. Let's switch, turn around from the anchor point. The closer you are up to the anchor point, the harder this will be. We're gonna do a push-up with staggered arms. So one arm comes up here by my shoulder, the other arm is down here by my hip. I bend both elbows, but I try to keep the elbows close to my body. Push myself back up and switch. Keeping those elbows close to the body and switch. I liked this movement because we do often have to push ourselves up off the floor, but we can't always put our hands in like the same position. Maybe you're at an angle seated on the floor. So it's nice to have strength for your shoulders in different positions. Last one. Let's flip back around. Walk yourself forward towards the anchor point and drive your elbows back in a row. This is going to help you maintain great, strong posture, maintain that spinal health, which will make it easier getting up and down and just generally doing everything in life. Let's do one more. All right, I wanna do one more quick round of that, little lightning round. Here we go, starting on those single leg squats. 3, 2, 1. I reach the leg back, I drive the knee forward. Remember, you are bending your knee as much as is comfortable for you. I'm using these handles for balance. Last one, switch to the other side. Knee comes up, it reaches back. So anything you can do to maintain that skill of getting up and down off the floor, your future self is gonna thank you. Give me one more. We spin around. One hand up, one hand down, into our push-up, and switch. Elbows stay close to the body for shoulder safety. If this is hard, walk farther out from your anchor point. Give me one more here. We spin around into that rowing position. Closer to the anchor is harder, and we drive the elbows back. I'm squeezing my shoulder blades together as I bring those elbows back. I'm squeezing my armpits. Give me one more. And relax. If getting up and down the floor is something that you want to get better at, I have an entire program available designed to help you get better, stronger, more confident at getting up and down off the floor. I'll link that in the comments. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm Natalie Carey. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today.